Hello, I'm Joe Deckelman with Champion Industries, and I am here to demonstrate our very new product, the UH330B Heat Recovery High Temp Under Counter Dishwasher. This is brand new for us. It's being introduced in the summer of 2014. We're very excited about it. We start the machine by pressing the start button, and the machine will go through its natural wash and rinse function. And where this machine becomes different is at the end of the total cycle. So whereas the operator under normal conditions would open the door and you'd see a large cloud of steam and heat that would come with that, come out and hit them in the face or perhaps hit the cabinetry or just be a general nuisance, what we do is we take all of that heat and we use it as a heat source for the dishwasher. Right now it happens to be in the wash cycle, and after the rinse function, we will have a draft-inducing fan. That fan is located at the rear of the machine. That fan will draw cool air from outside of the chamber up through the bottom, all the way through the dish rack and into the back of the cavity. At that point, that heat will be transferred from the gas state and the air. It'll go through a heat exchanger. It'll transfer all of that heat into a liquid line, a water-filled copper tube, and we'll drop that down to the booster heater, which is located at the base of the machine. What the operator is going to get there, again, is not only the removal of the heat and steam from outside, but it becomes a free heat source to help power the machine. Typically speaking, someone would have to provide 110, 140 degrees water to the machine, and then the booster heater will take it up to the legal threshold, which is 180 degrees. This machine prevents that from needing to be happening by taking that equivalent amount of air and heat out of the chamber, run it through the heat processor, and again down to the booster heater. That heat equivalent is upwards of 70 degrees. It's comparable to a heat exchanger. So basically it's comparable to a car by creating its own gas as it works, as it drives down the road. If you notice here, all of the heat and the condensate and the steam that would normally be built up in the chamber has been removed. We are starting the drying process inside of the box, and under normal conditions you would have to wait for that rack to come outside of the box to achieve that effect. The operator is getting the benefit of a much faster total cycle time, not only the cycle time of doing the wash, rinse, and sanitation function, but actually the time it takes to dry the ware. You notice, typically speaking, we would see a large cloud of steam at this point. If I take these out, you can see these plates are largely dry. Much faster process than what you normally see. There's absolutely zero water on this within seconds of coming to the outside of the machine. This dramatically speeds up the whole cycle turnover time. It allows the operator to carry a lower inventory of wear. It starts the cooling of the process. And again, as I say, it's free, usable energy resource for the operator to use and not have to use a preheated box. Therefore, this machine is by far the best thing that's out on the market today. So that would be the new Champion UH330B. Thank you very much.